In this video, we learn about torque converter, what is torque converter, how it works. So subscribe to our channel, like and click to the bell icon for more videos and don't skip the video, watch full video. Let's start. What is torque converter? A torque converter is a fluid coupling that allows the engine of an automatic vehicle to spin independently from the transmission. It has several key parts: housing and fins attached to the flywheel. These spin at the same speed as the engine. Pump spins to cycle the transmission oil, forcing it out and drawing more in from the center. Impeller, also known as a centrifugal pump, this propels the transmission fluid into the turbine's fins. Turbine rotate when it come into contact with the fluid, transmitting torque into the transmissions. The torque converter has three stages of operation. Stall: the prime mover applies power to the impeller but the turbine doesn't rotate. Acceleration: the load accelerates but the impeller and turbine's speed still differ significantly. Coupling: the turbine reaches about 90% of the impeller speed. The torque converter also pressurizes the automatic transmission fluid, which provides the force needed to shift gears. How it works: inside the casing, there is fluid that is propelled by the pump using centrifugal forces. The fluid then flows toward the turbine, which contains small gates that allows the fluid to enter the move the turbine. As the turbine absorbs the torque, it begins to rotate.